Alright, let's learn computer together. And in this tutorial, I'm going to show you on how you can hide your application, some of your proficient applications from your child, some of those applications that are very important to you from your child. Now, what do you have to do? The first thing is you have to make sure that you've signed in your Apple ID. You have to sign in your Apple ID. That's the first things. So after being signed in your Apple ID on your iPhone, then let's go to settings. I'm going to go to settings and hit on the settings now. Okay, so getting on the settings, we have to locate on the settings, we have to locate screen time. You can see it here. I hit on the screen time. Okay, now after setting on the screen time, what do I have to do here is to go to the first thing is I have to go and set my passcode. I have to go and set my passcode. In setting your passcode, they will ask you to log into your Apple ID, and in setting on your log into your Apple ID, they're going to be asking you your passcode of your Apple phone. You understand? And because I've already set my own, that is why you cannot see it here. So now, after you've done this process, then you now go to app limit. Then going to the app limit, I hit on the add, then I put my passcode. After putting my passcode, it's gonna take me to these choose apps. Now you can hide all the apps here. Like, okay, we have the social here. I can select few of my apps that I want to add for my children. I can select any of them, and then TikTok, LinkedIn, and all. And also you can select all the app and categories. Understand? After you've done all this process, then you hit on next. Then next. So on this side now, you need to just put your you need to set the time. Like, is it 1 minute every day? Like in the every day, maybe you will be operating it like every day, like 1 minute. After 1 minute, it's gonna off. You understand? Now, or you can put it on an hour, like 1 hour every day. Then after you've set your time, I put it on minutes, and then I'll go to add. I add. Okay, now it's added already. Like, you can see all the category, like 1 minute every day. I've already set it. Now let me go back and check whether it's working. Let me go back and check. I've moved everything. You can see it here that all those apps, you cannot just use them. They cannot be used. You can see them. So this is how you can hide your applications from your children at home. So please all our viewers, please take time to subscribe on this YouTube channel, and we hope to see you on the next tutorial. Thank you very much for you guys. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.